because yes, I'm innocent. Now because yeah. Oh God!
Stop this!
Don't shoot me.
You're innocent. You're innocent. If I ever see you near my house again, I will shoot you.
Papa, please.
Obina, you know me so well. You know I can't do anything like that. Please help me tell Father that I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Papa, she's innocent now. Why are you doing this now? Why are you being unreasonable? Will you shut up? Now, let me tell you, I have disowned you. You are no longer my daughter.
Hey!
Yes! Hey! I've disowned you.
Now, please, don't do this to me, please. I don't have anywhere to go to. I have no home. My husband has frozen my account. He took everything from me, everything, please. Please don't do this to me. Consider my condition because I don't have Biko. Okay, let me leave my son with you.
Not on your life. Not on your life.